Hi folks, this is Jennifer Knight and I'm here to talk about a new student support program at Lassen Community College, TRACS. The TRiO program is a federal program funded by the U.S. Department of Education and has been around since 1968. It's tried, true, and it works. The TRACS program at Lassen College wants to see you stay in college and reach your academic goals. Some of the services we offer are academic planning and course selection. We'll make sure you're in the right classes for that degree or certificates. We also offer college transfer skills to make sure you get all the requirements to transfer to the university of your choice. We offer career planning to make sure that your time here leads to a good job and a bright future. We also give you college knowledge skills by offering workshops in time management or financial planning. We help you with your financial aid, and we do workshops for note-taking and other college skills. My favorite part of the TRiO program is peer mentoring, where students get together and help each other solve problems that are unique that only students can help each other with. So you build family and community, and you stick around because you feel like somebody's got your back. One final perk about the TRiO program is your own personal counselor, who you can sit down and talk to one-on-one about anything that's going on in your life, especially if there's any circumstances that seem to be preventing you from doing your best at the college. So who's eligible? Well, the TRiO program is a federal program, so U.S. citizens or legal residents. Also, students who are first generation, that means neither of your parents have a bachelor's degree. Students with learning disabilities, like me, or students who are low income. So if you're receiving a Pell Grant, you're most likely eligible for the TRiO program. There are some other criteria, so don't just assume that you won't be eligible. Contact us and let us see if we can get you in the program. So, in closing, I love TRiO and you will too. So reach out to us. You can find us on the college website. Look under Student Services, click on that. Scroll down to the right and you'll see TRiO TRACS. When you click on that link, you'll learn a lot more about our program, and you'll find our application that you can fill out and submit to TRiO TRACS at lassencollege.edu, or you can give me a holler at 530-251-8810. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great semester.